My name is Mike Guggenheimer. I'm the Vice President of Business Development for RSC Biosolutions, and I'm very excited to be here today to talk to you about some new serious solutions that we're launching this week at Conexpo. Before I talk about the details of what we're launching at Conexpo, I want to make you aware of a couple of other things. The first is that we're broadcasting this press conference over the web. It's the first time that we're trying that, and I can tell you there have been a few technical challenges, but we're excited to have it live. For those of you in the room, be aware that there's folks participating online, and they have the ability to ask questions too, so I might address some of their questions later in the conference. And for those of you participating via the web, welcome. Look forward to your questions as we go through this. Also look forward to your feedback afterwards as we do more of these things virtually, allowing people to participate without traveling. We want to know how it goes for the people participating that way. The second thing I wanted to make people aware of is this is our first time exhibiting at Conexpo. RSC, as you'll hear me talk about in a little bit, is a company that's been in the industrial and automotive industry for quite a while. And with that said, this is somewhat of a coming out party for RSC Biosolutions. So we're excited to be here. This is a big event, and we're excited to be using this event to announce some of our new ready-to-use items. Many of you are probably familiar with Biobased solutions. There are a number of environmentally friendly products here at the show. I'm sure you've seen these products and you'll encounter them here. For a lot of people, when people think of Biobased or environmentally friendly products, they tend to assume that there's a trade-off in terms of performance. What I want to talk to you about today, as we lead up to the products that we're launching at the show, is that with RSC Biosolutions, that's not the case. Typically, we don't see a trade-off in performance. So as you listen to this and listen to the technology involved, hopefully we can address that skepticism that sometimes exists with bio-based products. Before I get into the details of RSC Biosolutions and the products, I want to give you a little bit of background on RSC. For those of you that don't know us, you might be familiar with some of our flagship brands. Two of our best-known brands are Liquid Wrench and Gunk. Liquid Wrench has been around since the 1930s and is best known for specialty lubricants and penetrants. The Gunk brand has been around since the 1940s and is best known for series cleaning and degreasing products, particularly engine degreasing products. These two brands are not only our best-known brands, they represent our two core product platforms in terms of lubricants and cleaners. The RSC story actually goes back before those two brands. The company was founded in 1924. The great uncle of the current owners actually broke down, had a radiator spring a leak, and back then when you had a radiator spring a leak, you stopped at a tinsmith to get it repaired. And this particular tinsmith put a powder in the radiator. It sealed the leak, and he decided to start a business right there. So over the years, we've added to that legacy, and since that time, we have continued to combine chemistry and research to solve sophisticated problems and challenges. Today, RSC produces a wide range of lubricants, cleaners, and performance additives. We serve a large array of markets, including the automotive, hardware, industrial, and the farming market as well. And today, we've grown to the point where we develop, manufacture, and distribute products to more than 1,600 customers in 81 countries around the world. It's also important to point out that we manufacture most of the products that we sell. This is a shot of our manufacturing operations facility in North Carolina. It's a 400,000 square foot facility that has 8 state-of-the-art production lines. It's an ISO certified facility. We use SAP enterprise management systems. And I point this out because it's an important part of who we are. We're very proud of the fact that we formulate and manufacture most of what we sell. We feel like in order to provide specific problems, specific products that address specialty applications, we need to know about how to formulate it. We need to be involved in the formulation and manufacturing of the product. It's also very relevant to the bio-based and the innovative technology that we're going to talk about later. When people are going to make a change to new technology, it's very helpful to know that it's coming from a company that's been around a long time and has their hand on the product and is there as a formulator to address issues when they come up. So what is RSC Biosolutions? Who are we? RSC Biosolutions is actually a sister company. This is a sister company that offers a cutting-edge alternative to Series Solutions. It's a powerful line of bio-based chemical products, cleaning, lubricating, degreasing products, penetrating products. And the target for these applications is situations where performance and safety are both equally essential. So what that means to us is it's an issue of trade-off. We are addressing very industrial applications, products that need to perform in a serious way. These are not products that hardly work. These are serious industrial products that work for very aggressive applications. The other thing that we recognized as we entered this space, it was very important for us to find the right partners. As you could probably tell from my introduction, RSC has the capability to formulate and develop a lot of new products. We have been using bio-based ingredients in our products for many years, but what we saw in our research was there was not only a need for safer alternatives, the skepticism I referred to earlier was something that we needed to address and make sure that we had products and were working with partners that had proven technology. The two partners that we are working with are Gemtech Products and TerraSolve Technologies. These are two companies with well over a decade of experience in this industry. And what that means for us and our products is a laundry list of OEM approvals, certifications, and a customer base that has evidence that we can provide to people ready to make a switch, that the product works, it's proven, it's not something that is just entering. These two companies have two significant brands of their own, Envirologic and SafeCare. Not only is RSC in a position to distribute their products, the Envirologic and SafeCare products, what we're doing is working to make them a standard for us as we incorporate their technology into our ready-to-use and flagship brands. So the Gunk brand, the Liquid Wrench brand, these are well-known brands, typically ready-to-use and application-specific products, where we're working to take this advanced technology and bring it into our brands and our product line. And that's really what I'm here today to show you is the advanced technology from these partners and RSC's research to introduce ready-to-use technology at the show this week. So I'm going to run through the list of products that we're launching. I will encourage you to come by the booth and check out what we're doing. We have some samples, and we have experts there to talk about the products in more detail. But for now, I'll give you an overview of the product line, and we can address questions at this point too. We'll start with the lubricants. As I mentioned, Liquid Wrench is our brand that is really our platform for lubricants. The Liquid Wrench powered by Envirologic line will be a line of powerful bio-based lubricants that address specific applications. The first product in the offering is a penetrating oil. Liquid Wrench has been known for its penetrating oil for many decades. In fact, as a testament to the power of bio-based ingredients, the Liquid Wrench on the shelf today that you find in many retailers actually has bio-based ingredients in it that help make it low odor and non-staining. What we've done with the product on this platform, penetrating oil, is taken it to the next level with even more enhanced performance and ability to talk about its readily biodegradable nature and its non-hazardous status. This is a product that works extremely well, dissolves rust, penetrates corrosion, as you would expect Liquid Wrench to do. It works extremely well, and we do have samples of this product at the booth that we're happy to share with people to try. Also on the Liquid Wrench powered by Envirologic line, there are a number of functional and power fluids that we're introducing. The first is a jack oil. This is a product that provides a lot of advantages in terms of anti-wear and corrosion protection that's inherent to a lot of bio-based lubricants, and it's formulated to work in a variety of applications, reduce sling-off, and as I mentioned before, it's approved by a number of major hydraulic jack OEMs and component suppliers. And what you'll find is these products exhibit premium performance relative to a traditional petroleum-based product. Also, two other power fluids in this line are an aerial lift fluid and a mobile equipment hydraulic fluid, again offering premium performance to a traditional petroleum-based product and meets or exceeds a large array of OEMs and manufacturers that in this space. Outstanding performance at low temperatures, and a product that not only gives you the benefits of a safe, non-toxic solution, it gives you enhanced performance as well.